Get strong.
If you're looking for a substitute for capers, then you've come to the right place. Before we get started, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit us at foodsubstitutions.com for more replacements and alternatives for food ingredients. So, what are capers? You will most often find capers hanging out in Mediterranean and southern Italian cuisine, fried with some garlic pasta or served in a feta salad, but they're also perfect in more universal dishes. With a hit of flavor from capers, scrambled eggs are great. On a cheese plate, capers utterly destroy, and they blend right into some roasted vegetables sprinkled over them. Think of capers as a simple way to add vivid, salty acid to almost any savory dish to which a pickle or lemon juice could be added. Here are 10 substitutes for capers. 1. Green olives. They're salty, they're acidic, they're savory, they're hidden in your fridge somewhere. What else might you ask for? To cover your underground swap, cut them down to a caper-like scale. Black or Kalamata olives, but with less caper-like bitterness, can also carry a pop of brine. Substitute 1 olive for every 2 capers due to the difference in size. 2. Black olives. Before being chosen, black olives spent longer on the tree, resulting in a smoother, less intense flavored fruit. They will offer a much less powerful blast of salty bitter flavor to your bowl. For a higher quality product, buy olives from your local delicatessen to get the best possible taste. 3. Lemon. What a difference a new lemon squeeze makes. You'll get an acidity and zip close to that. For some crunch and bitterness, apply a few cracks of freshly ground black pepper to the lemon juice. Since lemon is deeply sour and acidic, use your taste as a guide to replace capers. 4. Nasturtium seeds. It's pretty doubtful that you would have nasturtium seeds if you do not have capers. These peppery seeds, however, are an uncanny substitution for capers. In a small jar of vinegar, garlic and dill, pickle them yourself. Keep it in the refrigerator before you need it, that's probably earlier than you think. Replace capers in equal quantities with nasturtium seeds. 5. Fresh thyme. Fresh thyme is a potent herb that, similar to capers, carries a strong lemon and bitter flavor. Thyme can impart a comparable taste if it is slow cooked in a casserole or sauce. In recipes where capers play a leading role in the dish, fresh thyme won't fit. One instance is beef tartar. 6. Green peppercorns. This replacement for capers is visually a solid doppelganger. Green peppercorns are less spicy and more potent than black peppercorns, so you can use them without having to think about tossing them off the plate. Use them straight from the container or add water, salt and lemon to pickle your own. Sub green peppercorns in equal quantities for capers or use as a garnish. 7. Pickles. In one crunchy slice, pickles, or cornichons, give a mix of sweet and sour. When sliced up and added to the tartar sauce, pasta salads, or on the antipasto platter, they are a tasty addition. As their texture is crisper, the flavor profile of the dill pickle varies from capers, and they lack the strong bitter taste. 8. Anchovies. The anchovy and the caper taste miles apart. But that doesn't mean that you can't use anchovies in your next casserole to improve the umami and saltiness. Do not add too many unless you like a fishy taste. Experiment with ratios, but 1 anchovy is usually appropriate. They are an exceptional addition to Italian pasta sauces too. 9. Artichoke hearts. Either buy them marinated or else pickled. Aside from brininess, artichokes also have an earthy quality that will bring extra complexity to anything you're creating. Before applying them to chicken, fish or pasta dishes, drain and quarter them and weigh them to taste. 10. Caperberries. Pickled caperberries contain seeds and are larger than capers. They have a much less strong taste, which, if you do not like overpowering ingredients, makes them a suitable substitute. Those were 10 alternatives for capers. Stick around to find out more information on capers. Such as, what does capers taste like? So, what do they taste like with these wild buds called capers? The word different is what best defines the flavor of capers. Yeah, it doesn't taste like the quintessential sour or sweet berry. Taste is a type of taste acquired. The caper's scent is pungent and sharp. It's a little salty as far as the taste is considered. Someone who likes to try new flavors will make you very happy with capers in the food. The tangy and lemony taste of capers makes it equally popular on all continents. Actually, you may have already tried them as an olive in a fancy restaurant. Well, there you have it. Those were 10 substitutes for capers. Finding a replacement for brined capers is not a major challenge. In your local store, there are plenty of good alternatives. If you love the taste of capers but don't have any, green olives will be your best choice in most recipes. They are flexible enough to be slow cooked and can be diced and then used uncooked as a garnish. Consider thyme, green peppercorn, or dill pickles if you don't like capers and are searching for alternatives to replace them in your recipe. It is important to note that capers won't be perfectly imitated by the backup options we have provided. Most, excluding anchovies, can have a less pungent taste. If you intend to use them in a casserole, sparing yourself would normally be appropriate. Do you have an option that is useful for replacing capers? In the comments below, let us know. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out at www.foodsubstitutions.com. Please like the video, hit the bell notification and subscribe.